The VIVO X200 Ultra became my personal phone more than 3 months ago. I've taken it with me all over the world and put together a review that's different from what you usually see on YouTube, and very thorough, where I detail its strengths and weaknesses among breathtaking landscapes. But over these months, I've discovered several interesting things about the best camera phone so far this year, and here I'm going to share a collection of secrets that you can only discover after enough time has passed. In this video, I'll highlight the features that caught my attention most. Some you may know, but others might surprise you, especially number 7, and I'm afraid it's not in a good way. Here goes my top 11 interesting facts about the VIVO X200 Ultra that you should know if you want to buy one or if you're interested in this unique smartphone. And let's go with number 1, by the way. Those white things are stuck on the microphone and speaker area. In one of the points I'll mention next, I'll explain what they are and why I recommend you put them on your VIVO. But anyway, in the first point, I have to say that this interface looks a lot like the iPhone. If you tap at the top, it quickly scrolls back to the top. You can already see that even with the iPhone, it's exactly the same. And not only that, but after the update to Origin OS 5, you can see that multitasking is exactly the same as on the iPhone. They have the same dynamics. Therefore, if you're coming from an iPhone, I recommend the Ultra more than the Pro, because the Ultra uses the Origin OS interface and the Pro uses the Fan Touch interface, which looks a bit less like the iPhone. But let's move on to point 2. And this is a mistake made by many analysts because several of them post photos with the VIVO X200 Ultra labels or with those of other smartphones. Well, when you turn off the watermark, look at what happens. The photo without the watermark is larger in size and therefore has better resolution. It looks better than the photos with a watermark. And you can see how quickly this goes by. Let's move on to point 3. And this point has generated a lot of controversy. It's about this bump. It's the widest, largest camera module that exists today. It's extremely big. VIVO knew it was huge, so they came up with something I find really ingenious. And they added an antenna that goes all around that ring, that bump, to increase and improve coverage. And this is something very few people know. So if you're going to make a call, try not to cover the camera ring, because around it, there's an antenna that will improve your coverage. And now let's move on to point 4. This didn't fix the problem, as you need to watch out for notifications when buying a phone from China. This issue often occurs with this and other smartphones. For example, I wasn't getting notifications from Instagram or Telegram, but I saw this video, which I'll leave for you below in the video description in case you have the same problem. And by following 4 steps, you can fix it. And so you get all the notifications. If this happens to you, I recommend watching the video. Point 5 is an issue with the camera section. Well, an issue in quotation marks. This smartphone has one of the best cameras on any smartphone, if not the best. But in Pro mode, the manual focus doesn't get highlighted. It doesn't have any kind of option. And I thought that VIVO simply hadn't added this feature. Here, I even have videos from an LG from many years ago that does have it. So it was something that bothered me, but pay attention to this point because very few people know about it. If you go to the humanistic photography section, if you enter Pro mode from this section of the VIVO camera, there is a way to highlight, as you can see, when focusing on an object. This helps a lot, especially for those of us who, like me, enjoy more professional photography. This really gets the most out of this great camera. So, this option doesn't exist in the conventional Pro mode, but rather in the Pro mode within Mode 1. The truth is that this division of photography modes is a bit confusing for people. Please, VIVO, fix this in future updates. Let's move on to something I've used a lot. At this point, number 6, I'm showing you that you don't need a scanner if you have a VIVO X200 Ultra. With this Ultra HD document option, without downloading any third-party apps, you can take photos of text or identification documents. Documents that are printed on paper or even on digital screens, you'll see, and just look at the level of detail. Not only does it come out really well with a texture and paper color, but it also corrects the position. Notice on the right how the iPhone blurs the part that's farther away. On the other hand, the VIVO does some computational magic with the photo to really make it look like paper. In addition, you can export it as a PDF or any type of document like a doc, etc., and you can resize that PDF however you want. But pay attention to this point. It's really hard to take photos of screens and make the text look like paper. Well, the VIVO X200 Ultra does it too, and it does it very well. It removes the greenish reflections that you usually see on screens, and also corrects the perspective. Look to the right and see how the iPhone does it pretty badly. Therefore, even if you have an important document on your computer screen, tablet, etc., with this option on the VIVO, you can make it look like printed paper. And this is the point I like the least. Point 7. After 3 months of using it, notice that I've always used the protective case. Even so, look at the ring. It's all full of dust, full of that stuff that starts with M. And that's why I had to buy these stickers you're seeing, which I put on both the microphones and the speaker. The truth is that it's something very cheap. As you can see, it costs just over €3. It works for any phone. Plus, you get 71 pieces. I'm not sure if you'll be interested, but I'll put it in the video description in case your smartphone has a similar issue and you want to avoid it. The price of the camera. What's the price? And point 8 is more of a curiosity. Notice that VIVO really likes to point out its collaboration with Zeiss, with this blue color that's unique to the Zeiss brand. I think it's patented, and it's also on the logo and the camera control button. But notice that it's also on this ring that gives this VIVO X200 Ultra IP69 protection. And all three things, the SIM tray ring, the Zeiss one, they all share the same blue color. I think VIVO is very satisfied with the collaboration with this great brand Zeiss. And point 9 isn't something you see, but rather something you hear. Listen to this. And yes, the camera module makes a sound. At first, I thought it was broken. In fact, when you move it a little, it sounds like a vibration, as if there were something loose inside the module. But that's not the case. It's actually normal. When I contacted VIVO, they told me it was absolutely normal because of all the technology inside this large module. So if you buy an X200 Ultra and it seems like there's something loose in the module, don't worry because it's absolutely normal. And let's move on to the second to last point. And it's something I love. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor doesn't need to be active. Look, it's about to turn off completely how. And even though the screen is completely off, not even the always-on display is on, when you've been using this smartphone for a while and you know exactly where the fingerprint sensor is, you can unlock it with the screen totally off. Without a doubt, out of all the devices I've tested here, this is the best fingerprint unlock I've ever tried. I hope VIVO keeps going in this direction because this ultrasonic fingerprint sensor works wonderfully. And now let's move on to the last point, point 11 of this top 11 tips for the VIVO X200 Ultra. And it's about, as you can see, the animated or dynamic wallpapers that are not very well known, and I think they're the best wallpapers available for Android. The truth is, they're really interesting, and some of them even encourage you, for example, to walk or move around. Some things are still in Chinese, but fortunately, the most important ones are in Spanish. Take this one, for example, which counts your steps, and depending on how many steps you take, you make progress. In other words, this character, which you can also customize, you can change its cape, colors, and so on, flies toward a kind of paradise. And as it collects your steps, the scenery changes. Notice that even on the always-on display, that character appears as well. Depending on whether you're sleeping, it appears snoring or flying. It's very well customized, but that's not the only one. This bridge wallpaper works by kilometers instead of steps. And this mountain wallpaper also changes. It climbs the mountain as you take more and more steps. You can change it. Select any goal and set your desired number of steps. This one, for example, was recently added with Originos 5, and this fish tank also fills up as you take more steps. Therefore, you could say that these are dynamic wallpapers that help you a bit with your health. They encourage you to move, to go outside, so that your wallpaper changes as you walk more. Honestly, I think it's a very fun and original solution. So, how much does this VIVO X200 Ultra cost? This version, with 16 GB of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, costs a little over €1,000. But if you want the version with 12 GB of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, it's a bit cheaper at just over $900. Although I insist it depends on when you're watching this video. They're probably much cheaper right now. I'll leave the purchase link below in the video description. And my conclusion is that after having tested it for more than 3 months, if you want to buy a compact camera, get the VIVO X200 Ultra because honestly, it's much more versatile. And there are compact cameras, for example, from Sony that cost almost twice as much and take worse photos. And now, I hope you enjoyed these top 11 tricks for this VIVO X200 Ultra. Subscribe if you haven't already and leave me a like so I can keep recording in these amazing places. Take care and see you soon.